The objective of the milling practice is to know the operation and characteristics of the machine in the workshop of the CIMA. With this, we can know the parts, operations, and basic milling of the machine. So for this practice, we use a milling machine of the CIMA, and we milled steel and aluminium.
First step is to turn on the switch that gives energy to the machine. Then we turn on the machine. We turn on the computer. Then we take the level up to lubricate the machine. Okay, for the parts of the milling machine, from the bottom to the top we can see the base, that is all this part. Procedure to the knee, that is all the control to move the saddle, that is all this part. Then we have the work table, that in this part we put the tool we're going to work. In this part we have the spindle, that is where the cutting tool is put. Then we have the head of the milling machine, and in this part we have all the ram, that is all this arm, and then all the base, that is the column that supports all the machine. Okay, to assemble the work tool, first we need to put the shank in this tool, like this, and then we put the drill in the piece. Okay, so then we need to put the work tool in the spindle. And we need to adjust it with this also tool. After we have the work tool ready, we need to put the material we want to work in the machine, this part, and we also adjust it with this maneuver.
Okay, so we have to use these formulas. This one is for the velocity of the cut, and this one is for the velocity of the table. For the cut we have to impress it here, and for the table in this part. So for this machine we have the manual. Here we have to move in the y-axis, we have to push it, and then move the manual to the right or to the left. Here we have the x-axis, and here we have the z-axis. And for the automatic we have this manual. This one is for X, the left is for Y, and here we have the Z. And these buttons, we also move it in the automatic way.
So for the result analysis, we can see these two pieces that it has. First we have a facing process, that is makes the pieces move, and then we have a process of ending, that is all the tenor of this material. The specification and in general information of the machine, we have that the machine works with three axes, X, Y, and Z. This also we have a specific movement for these three, that in the X is 8040, and for the Y is 366, and for the Z is 460 millimeters. The dimension of the work table is 1300 millimeters per 300 millimeters. Also the number of suggestion is 4, and the maximum charge in the work table is 200 kilograms. We have that the machine works with specific velocities. We have that in the first grade we have 60 to 800 RPM, and for the grade 2 we have 8000 to 4000 RPM. The machine works with a system of units of inches and millimetric.
The materials that can be milling this machine are almost all the materials. The only thing that you need to change is the cutting tool.
So here we can see a diagram of the main components of the milling machine. And at the top we have the milling head, we have the ram, and then we have the spindle where we collocate the shank with the drill. Then we have the column, the table that is in the saddle. The saddle is the one that moves the whole machine, and the knee.
What's the importance of this machine in Querétaro? It's very important because we have industries in all the city, and this will help us making parts for the machine.
Thanks to the workshop of the milling machine in the CIMA, I could understand better the function of the machine and also the importance in the industry, because with this machine we can make several pieces.
For this practice, we saw the process of milling. This is one of the most important processes in the industry. This is because the material of objects that we do in this machine, it helps us to create more and more objects in the industry.
With this practice, I learned how to use the milling machine of the CIMA, as well as its components. It's a simple process to make different operations like facing, milling, among the other.